Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to complete the W-8BEN form on YouTube. If you recently logged into your YouTube channel, you may have seen this notice regarding US taxes. You may have also received an email message similar to this one indicating that Google is required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside the US. Now, it's important to submit your tax information in Google AdSense to avoid the standard 24% US tax on your YouTube earnings by completing the W-8BEN form. So I'm logged into my Google AdSense account. If you see this notice at the top, you can click this Manage Tax Info link. If not, go to the Payments section. You'll be brought to this page. Scroll down and click on Manage Settings. You'll be brought to this page. Scroll down again and click on United States Tax Info, and then click on this Manage Tax Info link. It'll bring you to this page. Click on this Add Tax Info button. In this first section, you need to choose the type of account. If you're a self-employed individual or sole proprietor, choose Individual. The other option is for registered businesses. Click Next, and in this section, you have to choose if you're a US citizen or resident. I'll choose No, and click Next. In this section, you need to choose the type of W-8 form. In most cases, it will be the W-8BEN form. And finally, click the Start W-8BEN Form button. In this section, enter your legal name here. In most cases, this DBA section will not apply to you. Here, you need to choose your country of citizenship. I'll use this drop-down list and choose Canada, like so. Let me scroll down. In this section, you need to enter your foreign tax identification number. It's important that you complete this if you're claiming tax treaty benefits. For Canadians, enter your SIN or social insurance number and click Next. In this section, you need to enter your address and check this box below if your mailing address is the same and click Next. In this section, you can claim tax treaty benefits for a reduced US tax rate. This will depend on whether your country of residence has a tax treaty with the United States. You can check the link in the description section for the list of countries with US tax treaties. I'll choose Yes and check this box and use this drop-down and choose Canada, like so. Let me scroll down. In this next section, you can choose the type of US income and the corresponding reduced US tax rates. I'll choose Services and check this box. I'll use this drop-down and choose the article and paragraph. And using this drop-down, I'll choose the withholding rate, which is 0 in my case. Also make sure to check this box. Let me scroll down. I'll also choose Other Copyright Royalties. I'll check this box. Use this drop-down. Choose the article and paragraph. And I'll also use this drop-down and choose the 0 rate. And check this box. And click Next. In this final step, you need to review the information. Let me scroll down. You can click these links to check the individual W-8BEN forms. For example, if I click this link, it'll open the PDF form and you can check the details. Let me go back. I'll check this box and click Next. In this step, you need to read these declarations. Enter your full legal name here. Choose this option if you're completing the form on your own behalf, and then click Next. In this final step, you need to declare if you've performed any activities or services in the US. I'll choose No, and I'll check this box. You can choose whether you're providing this tax information for new and existing payments or for previously received payments. I'll choose for new and existing payments, and finally click Submit. You'll get a confirmation if your W-8BEN form is approved. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.